Hi, this is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning, and guess what? Today in the morning I bring my big car to uhaul to do the hitch install. They install the hitch in this car. Brand new, and what I like is they have the warranty. In my previous car, the old one that I had, the Ford Econoline 250, I went to the junker and Juan Carlos was the one to install. But this car, it was hard to look for a hitch in a junker, so I have to bring here and they install. I'm so happy to do that because this is a new tool that my business is gonna have. So I'm increasing the value of my business. I got a really good deal. Right now I'm gonna go inside and pay. It's not 2 weeks ago, like a month ago, I went to do like a hoarder organizing cleaning house, and I had to rent a big truck to pull all the garbage into the landfill. I remember paying $80 for a couple hours. So with this hitch, I will be able to rent a small container or a small box, and do my moving or do my trash or whatever I need to do, removal trash or whatever. It will save me some money. It was a really good deal. I'm gonna pay right now $330 something. Let me see. Wait. The hitch by itself online, because I was looking to do that months ago, the hitch by itself online was around $250. Thank you. But I found out that here they have it in stock, and the part, it was one something. Hi, how you doing?
Good. Elizabeth, what's your address?
731. Yes, here the piece cost me $119, so it was much better to buy it here than online. They installed actually the light, and the total $331.25 with the number of the hitch is class 4. It will carry 7,500, and this is the 2 years warranty for the wiring service plan, and everything is right here. I think that this is a really good investment for us. I request the quote for the little car, but the little car will cost me more. I don't know why. Maybe because they don't have the part in stock and they have to ask in Georgia to deliver the part. So eventually, I don't know when, I'm gonna rent something like this to do a move out or trash removal, and you're gonna see it. But I'm preparing myself. I remember doing this kind of video when Juan Carlos installed the hitch in my previous car, and I had in my mind that one day sooner I will use it. I have it right now, faith, and I declare that that hitch is gonna bring me more job and more income. Thank you for watching. You have to be positive all the time. 407-572-4118. Bye.